In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Figma design into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in just a few seconds. This is a super useful trick for designers who want to quickly turn their designs into real working web code without doing everything manually. First, open your Figma project. Go to the design or frame that you want to convert. You can use an existing design or create a new one. It works the same way. Next, right-click anywhere on the canvas. From the menu, go to Plugins, then click on Manage Plugins. This will open the plugin library where you can install new tools. In the search bar, type auto HTML/components to code. When the plugin appears in the results, click on it and install it. This plugin helps convert your Figma components directly into clean HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once the plugin is installed, go back to your design and select the layer, frame, or group you want to convert. Make sure you select the correct elements so the plugin knows what to turn into code. Now, right-click again, go to Plugins, and open Auto HTML/components to code. The plugin will process your selected design and generate the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for you automatically. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, your Figma design is converted into web-ready code. This makes the design-to-development workflow much faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.